So what I want to do is move into like an actual help desk position and actually have like hands-on experience, so I can actually, I had interviews, but I think the part that really gets me is that I don't really have that hands-on experience.
Okay. What is your current job right now? Like, what are you doing currently right now?
Currently, uh, I'm a crew scheduler, and I schedule pilots and flight attendants.
Oh, I see.
For this pretty much for flying. I work for airlines, Caltrain States.
All right, we can get some tickets then, right? All right. So, I think you're in a good training right now, because this training is not designed or like just very specific minor like troubleshooting kind of things. We will go to that area, but then our main focus is to train you as a real IT person. When you see the help desk requirements in front of you, wherever you are right now, and you open that requirements, you should be looking at it after this training, and then whatever we suggest, the recommendation recordings that we will have to do after this training, then you should be very confident when you look at it. Okay, this is a help desk position around me right now in this zip code or area, and you should be very confident by applying to it. And that is our main goal, for you to land your official IT job. That's kind of like what will be the outcome of this training. Okay, these meetings and then kind of suggest things and share things. So Adi, I will let you talk about your introduction a little bit, please.
Okay. Hey, Drew. Okay, so I went to college with Danish almost 10 years ago, but I met him there. We were students. I had a different major. I was studying electrical engineering. I didn't even think about cybersecurity or IT in general. Well, that started towards later when Danish was working somewhere in medical school as an IT specialist, and I needed some hands-on experience. So he told me to come volunteer, help him out. So me and a couple guys, I think Hamza was also involved. We worked with Danish. I worked with him closely. I watched what he did. He taught me a lot of stuff, tier 1 stuff, basic troubleshooting. Then I landed my first job when I was junior in college. I started working for federal government as IT specialist, and I did the basic things, call center, ticketing, things like the Active Directory, small stuff here and there. Then as I was doing that, I decided that I don't want to do electrical engineering anymore. I want to do more IT related. So I changed my major to cybersecurity and information assurance, and I started doing that. While I was doing that, I started getting job offers from different federal agencies. Why? Because I was able to obtain my Security Plus cert, and back then it was one of those things that DoD, federal government, was looking for IT individuals to have that as an entry-level cert. So when I got that cert, I started getting system admin jobs. So 2012, that's when I landed this really nice gig at the Department of Energy as a system administrator. But I got involved in a really high-tech project where we had to migrate XP machines to Windows 7 and so on and so forth. Afterwards, they ended up giving me a different title to system engineer, because they were like, hey, you know more than just basic things, you know quite a lot, so we'll teach you, train you, but we're going to have to give you a different. I've been involved in IT field for almost 9 years now. Again, I started with Danish, and I'm grateful for what he taught me. Now whenever he needs help, I try to do my best to help out his students, give him different perspective IT, because what he does is a bit different than what I do at work. Like basically at my work, I do literally everything. Even if I don't know something, I'll talk about it later when the time is right. Then how to tackle certain problems. You will, in IT world, you're going to be faced with things that you don't have no clue about. I'll probably chip in and tell you how to do some research while at work and things like that. But yeah, other than that, I'm almost available online with Danish. If you have any questions for me in particular thing like Amazon or cloud or virtualization, I can always answer some things. But yeah, Danish is your person to go if you have